As we transition to weather, we'll take you back outside. A live look from Seven Falls right now, courtesy of a camera out at the Broadmoor. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think they're all there. Seven Falls there. Not a lot of people, though, not just yet, due to social distancing. Let's head over to Chief Meteorologist Mary Matthews, back in the studio with us today once again. Mary.
Yeah, I've never seen that.
You never been out there?
Never.
It's a good workout getting to the top. It's not quite the Manitou Incline, but it's a good little exercise.
Listen, I've done
it's
the
worth it.
Every time I do the Manitou Incline, I think I've done this. It's fine. It's fine. I got it. And I get halfway up, and I'm like, how did I do this last time? I take like 25 breaks. That's just the first half. Anyway, it doesn't matter how many breaks you take, as long as you get to the top. That's what I tell myself. Cheyenne Mountain here above the clouds. You can see our wire nut camera here picking up this time lapse earlier, looking like waves in the ocean. That was the clouds we were stuck under earlier today, really allowing for a cooler day across there. Whoa, what's this? Got a little bit of a data problem in the time lapse there. It looks like this is our next system. It is area of low pressure that is turning just west of the Washington state border, the Pacific Northwest. That is slowly going to push ashore as we move through the next 48 hours, giving us a chance for some storms later this week, but really not until Thursday afternoon. For now, we will continue to dry out. Skies are clearing across most of the area, returning those temperatures into the upper 50s right now. We're in the 40s across the high plains of North Dakota, into the 70s across parts of Dallas, 93 in Phoenix. Boy, hot across the Southwest. I don't know how those people do it. I think you have to be from there to really appreciate the warm and dry weather. And I don't care what they say about heat. It's a dry heat. Heat is heat. And if you don't like heat, I would imagine you really can't live anywhere in the Southwest. Anyway, we've got a variety of temperatures here across southern Colorado. 60s right now in La Junta. We have still got some cloud cover here across the far eastern plains right now, and that is allowing for a slow warming trend across parts of Prowers County and up into Cheyenne County. You can see where that boundary is located. Look at that deck of clouds right here through parts of Lincoln County, then back across Cheyenne County. That westerly wind kind of pushing this boundary a little farther east, and that is helping to continue to clear out the cloud cover here for us in the Pikes Peak region. Overnight tonight, those clouds and that boundary will try to retreat a little farther west as we move through the day tomorrow, but mostly sunny skies will continue to be in the forecast for Wednesday. We may get a few little wave clouds with that westerly flow Wednesday afternoon that will help generate some cloud cover tomorrow afternoon, but our day will start off partly to mostly sunny and end with some cloud cover coming into play for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, and the possibility of a few showers across parts of the higher terrain areas, but tomorrow is mostly dry. We take you through the forecast here with the temperatures, and you'll notice as we move through the overnight hours tonight, we have temperatures in the 30s and 40s across parts of Prowers County up into Kit Carson County. We'll be in the 40s across parts of Colorado Springs, and then with that westerly flow taking over tomorrow afternoon, plenty of sunshine. We'll have temperatures back up into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees for Colorado Springs. Areas into the eastern plains will be near the 90-degree mark. This will give us some high fire danger for tomorrow. Unfortunately, across the Raton Mesa, red flag warnings are in effect as a result for the day on Wednesday, and some fairly gusty winds. We're not talking damaging winds by any means, but if you're joining us across parts of Pueblo down to the Raton Pass areas, even across parts of Canyon City and the Highway 50 locations, secure those outdoor items, anything loose that you have on the front or back porch. It's going to be a breezy day for us on Wednesday. Thursday, still warm, partly sunny skies. Most of the day part stays dry. By Thursday evening, our next disturbance sweeps the state, and this will allow for a chance of some late afternoon, early evening showers and thunderstorms across parts of Woodland Park, and will certainly yield another round of thunderstorm activity for Friday afternoon as well, primarily coming through with the afternoon daytime heating. With this disturbance, it will bring cooler temperatures into the low 70s for places like Pueblo, but look how quickly we warm back up into the 80s on Sunday. So we are still talking at or above average temperatures for most of the next several days. 68, 70 is about average for places like Colorado Springs. During the low 70s for Canyon City is closer to seasonal. So most of the next several days are trending above average, with the exception of Friday and Saturday, with a little bit more in the way of rain, cooled air for those afternoon hours, really capping temperatures off just a bit. So enjoy the warmth, but be mindful of the high fire danger across southeastern Colorado for tomorrow.